They do not know how to guide. All they know is to follow others and wait for the luck to work. Then how do you grow faster following them? You will also get stuck one day just like them. Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss something extremely important for all of us, especially for those who are struggling to build your career. If you do not know who I am Subhash Chandran with more than 20 years of experience in oil and gas and petrochemical industries, specialized in piping design engineering, running this channel Pymedaca, sharing industry specific informations, especially for those who wants to learn the real-time job activities in piping design engineering. So if you want to become a piping design engineer, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. This consists of 5 phases, full of practical approach and result oriented. Moreover, this is what an industry wants. So if you take it seriously and work on it, you can definitely grow faster. Most of us think that getting an entry into a job is difficult, but we don't realize the fact that it is not as difficult as working in a job to grow faster. To be honest, your actual problem starts after getting into a job. You will see yourself not learning for years and years, and you will get stuck in one place, not seeing your future, not getting an increment, and not being promoted when others are growing faster. It's not your problem, it is a problem set by others because they do not know how to guide. All they know is to follow others and wait for the luck to work. Then how do you grow faster following them? You will also get stuck one day just like them. This is why I'm here to share a different route where you can track your progress, you can grow faster, you can achieve your dreams and grab your expected salary like a leader. And I would like to call this route as a platinum route. Without wasting your time, let's begin. I know getting an entry in a job is difficult, especially in technical engineering jobs, it is more tighter. But believe me, achieving further growth in a job is more difficult than getting an entry. If you do not have a concrete plan in your mind, you will get stuck for decades. This is why this step is more important. Listen carefully. The moment you get into any job, the first thing that you have to do is to fix your next destination. Fixing your next destination is about seeing yourself in 10 to 15 years down the line. It is about finding who's above you, who's leading you, who's acting as a leader above you. Do not see anyone who is having an experience of just 2 to 3 years above you as an example. Here you have to see someone who's having more than 10 years of experience, who's known to be technically sound with impressive knowledge and admiring leadership. Fix them as your role model and fix them as your next destination and manifest it, saying that one day you will become like him. And this is the force which is going to take you to that position one day. But listen carefully, do not choose a wrong person, then you will end up going nowhere. The next phase is to analyze what they are up to, their true strength, capabilities, qualities and skills to know their true potential. You can do this in a couple of ways. Number 1, get into a general discussion with them to seek an advice or a guidance. Number 2, closely watch them to monitor their activities, actions, involvement and speeches during the whole day to see what they are actually doing throughout the entire day. Number 3, casually inquire about their daily activities and the challenges that they go through in a day. Keep doing these 3 things until you improve your trust, because in corporates, no one teaches you without trust. That's how the corporate works. Now, this is where you have to be careful. You fixed your next destination and unbox their qualities. Then what's next? Now be practical and look forward for the 5-year plan. This is a phase you have to figure out the most demanding skills for 5 years experienced. But to add little spice to it, take a list of demanding skills of 5 years and add 2 more skills of 7 to 8 years. This will give you an edge to always stay above the 5 years category to get the job faster with high package. Ultimately, in this phase, you need to have a list of demanding skills, not more than 5 to 8 in numbers. But the point is, how to get those lists? I will help you. But number 1, go to job portal and check the job criteria for 5 to 8 years experience and take a list of requirements listed over there. And go to the similar job posts for different job positions and take all this list and save it in an Excel sheet. Number 2 is the most important step that you have to do. Here, directly speak to the person who is having an experience of 5 to 8 years and request them to help you to find the most demanding skills for an experience of 5 years, and they will definitely help you. You can find these people either through your friends or colleagues or through LinkedIn or through any piping communities, and they will be open to help you. Here I can listen your mind voice. I truly understand it is a little hard to do it, but believe me, it's worth doing it rather than doing nothing. Now we are moving to the next phase. This phase is a time to sharpen your sword. Here you have the list of demanding skills filtered by the engineers. So what you have to do is to pick one difficult skill at first. Why do I prefer one difficult skill? Because most people ignore the difficult skill at first. This is where you can take an advantage over them. So what you have to do is to pick one skill and start working on this. You can do this in 2 steps. 1. Self-study by going through the books, articles, and freely available informations in the internet. Number 2, you can do the organized study by taking courses. The advantage of taking courses is you can learn the subject in a structured way. This is one of the greater advantages that I could see in taking courses. Once you get the grip over the subject and the skill, you can move to the next skill. This is how you can improve your knowledge. But this is not an end before going to the next phase. Here, don't forget to take notes and write down your doubts so that you can clear this in the next phase. Now we are in the last phase. The last phase is not for more studies but to get the practical training. In the previous phase, you have prepared yourself on certain skills for which you need to get the practical training, otherwise it will become useless. Therefore, I would like to name this phase as a phase to get ready for a final battle. Here you need to find someone who is well experienced more than 10 years, having a strong knowledge in real-time activities, worked in reputed companies, and convince them for a home tuition to learn the real-time job activities. Believe me, this is where you get to learn the real-time job activities. And this phase will act as a bridge between your self-study and the real job activities and to clear all your previous doubts. I know it's not easy to find someone who can train on real-time job activities, but believe me, it's not impossible either if you are ready to pay them. Now, with a strong mind, if you can sail through these phases, believe me, you can decide your future and you can fix your salary and you can grow faster than others who are not taking these actions. I'm happy to share these informations to you. I believe this information will help you to grow your career faster. In my upcoming video, I will also share some of the most incredible ways to grow your career faster, especially in engineering sector. And if you are interested in piping design engineering, you can follow my channel Pymedaca, where I share exclusive information specific to industries for piping design engineers. I will meet you in another fantastic video. Until then, bye from Subhash Chandran.